Are you tired of some old Independence Day speeches? Are you going to do the same this year as well? So let's break the mold and explore some more creative ways to celebrate our Independence Day this year. Welcome back to your favorite spoken English channel, Business Spoken English. Now, Independence Day is around the corner, and while speeches are great, but they are not the only way to honor the Independence Day. Today, in this video, I'll explore approximately more than 10 unique and meaningful ideas to celebrate our freedom beyond speeches. So, let's get started with the first one. Host a art of photography exhibition. Make them draw something. Art is the most powerful way to express your enthusiasm for the country. Now host it. Call local artists and make them showcase their uniquenesses. Imagine a gallery filled with the vibrant paintings and historical moments, photographs capturing the essence of freedom. Imagine how would it look like. So rather than speeches, do this, and hey, who knows that maybe you'll discover the next Picasso, or at least someone who can draw a decent stick figure. So next, it was the first one. Next one is you should organize a community cleanup drive. If you belong to an organization, if you belong to school, college, institution, or you have your own business, or you are someone influential, in that situation you should organize a community of cleanup drive. What better way is to honor our country than taking care of it? Organize a cleanup drive to your neighbor, to your local park. Gather friends, family and neighbors to pick up trashes and beautify the areas. Plus, it's a great excuse to wear those cool gloves and feel like a superhero saving the environment. Next one is create and share historical documents as well. Create a short documentary about lesser known heroes. There are several people who have sacrificed their life, but we don't talk about it. We talk about the same Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru, Gandhi ji. Only these people. There are, thousands of people who have lost their lives. So find any documentary, find any person who is still a hidden gem in past of our independence. So if they have significantly contributed themselves for the country, then make it visible to people. Interview local historians and visit local sites in order to bring the past to the life. And it's like bringing your own episode. Like, wow, who do you think are they? But are they more history or a lot of a celebrity drama? So it will help you to get popular in this Independence Day. Next one, you can hold a culture show as well in order to celebrate your diversity. Celebrate diversity. Culture makes our nation hosting the natural shows of featuring traditional music, dance and attire. Remember, local cultural groups can perform and they can share their traditions. They can show their enthusiasm for the country, wearing different things, singing different songs and something like that. Who needs a Broadway when you have a local community putting on a show that's more colorful and much more enthusiastic than others? Next one is you can have a freedom theme book as well. Now bring together books lovers and discuss the literature points which are focused on freedom, independence and national identity, and upload it on social media platforms. It can enhance your enthusiasm. It can show people that you're really enthusiastic rather than giving speeches. You've really initiated something really unique. Pick a classical novel and powerful memoir of a deep drive and go into deeper themes. And hey, it's a perfect excuse to read the book. At least you'll get a chance to go through several books, and you've been pretending to have finished. Several times it happens that you post on Instagram reading books, but you don't really do it. At least while doing this, you'll have sufficient time in order to read books. Now, next one is you can have a cooking traditional dishes from different regions. Now, food is a big part of our culture, you all know. Celebrating Independence Day by cooking traditional dishes from different regions of the country can help you, make feel that there is an unity in diversity. Now, host a show or at least a program where people from different places come and they cook different type of dishes. And let's be honest, food is the royal star of any celebration. So why not to make them the main event? Next, you may have a flag making workshop. People make flag from different things, from different ways. Have a art and craft session in order to motivate people even students, by enhancing their creativity as well. So use materials like fabric, paper, and any recycled item that you may use in your creation. Now, and don't just blame us if you end up covering with glitter. That stuff never really goes away. Remember, you may have a charity as well for people. Honor those who have searched for organizing a charity event, like a fundraiser or a donation drive to support people. Now, you could host a charity run, an auction, or even a simple donation drive. And remember, a little bit of effort can make a huge difference. Plus, it gives you a reason to wear those patriotic colors with pride. So you may also have debates on national issues, ongoing national issues. You all know that what's happening in Bangladesh. You all know what's happening in Delhi. So you may have a positive debate on these topics. Not just this can enhance the communication skill of people, but at least they'll have a broader understanding of what's actually happening in our country, and how can I make it a good place for everyone to live. Encouraging critical thinking and active citizenship by organizing a debate is important on important national issues can be a good idea. Invite students, community and members and local leaders in order to discuss topics that matters in the society and nation.
Incoming call from could you identify